who has the Tequila phone number? Meaning, the numbers spell out tequila, right? T8, right. So area code, let's go for 212 because New York. So who has the tequila number in New York? Let's see. 212. T8, E3, Q7, U8, I4, L5, A2, 837 8452. Who is it?
I'm sorry, the person you are trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet. Please try your call again later. Goodbye.
Oh, what a shame. What's another area code? 347. 917. That's the cell phone. We'll do 212 is landline, kind of. So 917. 917. E Q U I L A. You're on the phone, Mr. Tequila? All right, one more to try. 347. T E Q U. You would have thought that I would have memorized this number by now. These are the 3 area codes of New York.
The subscriber you have dialed is not in service. If you feel you've received this message in error, please hang up.
There is no Mr. or Mrs. or Ms. Tequila in New York. I'm going to go with my area code. Colorado. Come on, Colorado. I can't believe I haven't memorized this yet. Where? There's no tequila person. What's another area code? 215. Come on. What's the area code 215 again?
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
215 is Philadelphia. Just looked it up.
2 is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hello? I'm trying to reach Mr. Tequila. Are you there? Give me a call back if you get this message. Thanks, bye. Somebody just got a crazy message in Philadelphia. I bet you they're going to call me. They're going to call me back. They're going to call me back. I'll let you know if they call me back.